Playboy, 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 playboy.
Hey y'all, it's Shavinia and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, welcome. And of course, if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. So I'm coming back to you guys today with another makeup tutorial, but today's going to be kind of different because I decided to do a one brand makeup tutorial. So everything I use on my face today is from one single brand, and that brand is Sistar Cosmetics. Sistar, I said that right, not sister, Sistar. They were kind enough to send me over a whole bunch of products to try for you guys. And this is actually like a first impressions too, because majority of the products that they sent over I hadn't used yet. So in the video you'll see me opening a lot of stuff and using it for the first time. So if you want to see how I got this really pretty look using all of their products, just keep on watching. Today is going to be a one brand makeup tutorial featuring Sistar Cosmetics. I'm gonna try to get the box in here, but it's pretty big. They sent over lots and lots of things for me to try for you guys. I'm not gonna open it because everything's gonna fall out. That's how I feel when I open this. So I'm just gonna start off with their It's You setting spray. I like the way that smells. Next, I'm going to prime using their It's You Skin Smoothing Primer. And they have two, but I got the matte version. Come out, girl. It reminds me of my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, just the way it feels on the skin. So next for brows, I'm going to be using their Brow Perfecting Pencil in Charcoal. One thing I can say right now is this is going on so smooth. Like, I'm not even pressing down super hard and it is just gliding on. So that's really nice. I like that. If my brows come out crazy today, then they come out crazy. Y'all know I'm not used to pencils, so don't judge me, alright? Alright. Pencils are definitely a go-to if you prefer a more natural looking brow. Like, they just make you look so effortless. Like, yeah. This is what my brows look like all the time. What do you mean? Pencil who? I don't know her. Now to conceal my brows, I'm going to be using their HD concealer in the shade Bronze. So far, I'm liking it. I like the consistency of it. Like, it's not too thick, but I can tell that it still is thick enough to have some coverage. I like that. It still blows my mind that I can like really see now. Like, it's crazy that I don't need my glasses. You telling me that I can see when I'm making videos now? Word. It is drying up fast on me though. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out before I get to the top. But the finish looks pretty good. I could tell already. Not too shabby. Now I'm gonna go in with that same concealer to prime my eyes. Prepping for eyeshadow and whatnot. Then I'm just gonna set it with a little bit of their translucent powder. Ooh, it's really soft. If you wear makeup, you know what I mean when I say it's soft. Like, it has a very smooth, velvety feel. Ooh, I feel rich using this. Let's see how it does setting my under eye though. I'm not too impressed just yet. We gonna see. So now I'm going to be going into eyeshadow, and they sent over two of their eyeshadow palettes. I have here the Sunkissed eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. I wanted this one because it looked like, I don't know, I don't think I have the packaging anymore, but online and from the packaging, it looked like this was an orange color, like a really nice orange, and like this was a black a deep black and a brown, so I was like, okay, I can do a really easy look with that, something simple but still cute. So yeah, it looked like there were gonna be some richer colors in there, but when it got here it looked like that. So yeah, and then I have the Pink Blossom palette. This is what this one looks like, and I think I'm just gonna be working out of both today just because. I'm gonna go into this kind of brick shade right here. It's like a muted brick shade, and I'm gonna use that as my transition color. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with this shade just to blend it out. Then I'm going to go into this deeper purple shade right there with a Morphe Y16 brush. And I'm going to put that on the outer part. And I'm just going to cut my crease with that same concealer from earlier. My cut creases are sisters, sometimes cousins. They're never twins, so that's that on that. So now for the lid shade, the first color I'm gonna go into is this kind of champagne gold right there. I'm gonna put that on the inner part of my eye. These shimmers are nice. I'm liking these. I'm not too sure about the mattes, but this shimmer's coming through right now. And then I'm gonna go into this like rose gold shade right there. I was kind of worried about this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but it didn't come out too bad. Looks pretty good. Alright. So now I'm going to do some liner, and I'm going to be using their Eye Contour Precision Liquid Liner. And this is in a jet black color. And this is one of the things that I opened when I first got the package. And I have been using it like every time I do my makeup. And I can say that this liner is actually pretty bomb. Now the trick is going to be getting this eye to look like this eye. So now for foundation, I actually got a couple shades from them because I wasn't sure which shade I should be. I got the shades Morning Coffee, Burnt Cinnamon, and Deep Espresso. So I'm gonna try Burnt Cinnamon because I think that's my color. I will say that their shade range wasn't like they didn't have, you know, 30 colors in there, you know. Yeah. This is very, very dark. I think I can make it work though. Like, I don't think it's that kind of dark where like, girl, like, you look crazy. It does have a pretty nice coverage though. But it dries out really fast, so you have to work fast with it. But like I was saying, it does have pretty nice coverage. It's not super full, but it seems buildable. And then for contouring, I was going to use their concealer in Deep Espresso, but it's a little bit too light, I think. It might work. And then I'm going to go back into that same concealer from earlier in the shade Bronze, I think it was. Yeah, and I'm gonna use that to conceal. I'm just gonna blend that out with my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge. Let's see what this is about. This concealer is pretty nice. It's blending out like really smoothly. Like it's not taking too much to blend it out. I like that. Now y'all know I like my highlights super bright, so I'm going to go in with another concealer, and this one is in the shade Golden Beige. Now I'm going to go back in and set my face with their It's You Skin Perfecting Finishing Powder. Like I was saying before, this powder is very smooth, and I really don't know how to explain that other than it just feels super velvety. Like, if you know, you just know, you know what I mean? Now to set my contour and really snatch my face, I'm going to be going into their contour palette, and this one is in the shade Deep, and it is a little gray, and I don't really usually use grayish powders, but let's see what this does. Let's see what we're working with. I wasn't expecting that to be that dark, and I went kind of dumb. Okay, wait a minute. Hold please. I would just be super light with this because it seems pretty pigmented. It's going on really dark on me. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting that, so yeah. And now I'm going to be going in with their Ultimate Define Gel Eyeliner, and it says that it is long wear and waterproof, which is good if you're Cancer like me and you're always crying, and it is in the shade Galaxy. Whew, I barely touched my eye. That is nice. It just glided on. See, I don't know if you can see, but it has like little tiny reflex in it of like silver, so that's super cute. Now I'm just gonna wipe away all that powder. Ooh. The powder is just melting into my skin. Okay. And it set that concealer like perfectly. Oh yeah, come through. Now for blush, I'm going to be going into this duo, and it is in the shade Deeply Flushed, and I have a feeling it's gonna be like crazy pigmented, so I'm just gonna like barely dip into there. I'm just gonna go in and spray my face one more time with their setting spray. Now I'm gonna be going into their Lit and Glow Luminizer Palette. I'm just gonna dip into all the shades and just see what we're rocking with right here. It's a pretty little glow. She's cute. This is definitely one of those natural glow kind of highlighters. Now for lips, I'm going to be going into their Smooth Touch Auto Lip Liner in the shade Earthy Brown. So for lips, I'm going to be going into their lip paint in the shade Metal Enchanted Forest. And it's kind of metallic-y, but it looks like a lip gloss, so we'll see. And then one more time with my setting spray. And this is the finished look, guys. I'm actually kind of feeling it. Y'all let me know down below what you think. We've come to the end of this video. Real quick, I just want to talk about some of the products that really stood out to me that I really liked. First thing I really liked, let me put the top back on it first, was this setting powder. This may have been my favorite thing out of everything. So I kept on saying it throughout the video. It was very smooth and it was so velvety, and when I went to go take it off, it just melted into my skin. And I haven't taken a picture with flash yet, but I will do that, and I'll try to post it right here just so we can see what the flashback is like. But I have faith in this, okay? Another thing that I was really feeling was this concealer. It blended out really nicely, and although the coverage wasn't like full coverage, it was enough to make me look like I have a beat face, you know? Another thing that I liked was the gel eyeliner. This thing went on so smooth. I barely touched my eye, and it is super black, like super dark. Another thing I liked was their brow pencil, and this was a big surprise to me because I don't like using pencils, but I actually really liked it. It was super creamy, which I wasn't expecting, and it just glided on, and it made my brows look really natural, but then also kind of snatched at the same time. And y'all know I'm gonna tell y'all, of course, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, although I did have some favorites in here, I had a lot of favorites actually, there were a couple things that I wasn't really feeling. And one of the main things was the well, it was really just the eyeshadow. Now, although the shimmer shades, they showed up and showed out, okay? The shimmer shades were really nice. The matte shades, it took a lot for me to get them to blend in, and the colors just weren't what I wanted them to be. Besides that, I really did like everything else they sent me. Of course, all the links and the details will be in the description box, so don't forget to check out all of their products and check out their website. And of course, if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave your girl a like and a comment, and then of course go ahead and share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.